Well, hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're in the beautiful gated Water's Edge community in New Port Richey. And if you have been searching for a move-in ready home in a community where there's some great amenities, you're definitely gonna wanna stick around for this one. Residents here enjoy access to a clubhouse, a resort-style pool, a fitness center, tennis courts, playground, and more. And for those of you wondering about, flood insurance, you'll be happy to know that this home is not located in a flood zone. Now, would you like to take a look at the beautiful townhome that's just a short distance away from this pretty Veterans Park right here in the area? So it's starting to rain a little bit, but in just a moment, I'm gonna show you the immediate area so you can get a feel for the location. Then we're gonna walk through the home together from front to back, just like you'd experience during a private showing. So without further delay, let's not waste any more time. Let's check this property out right now. Okay, let me spin around here, show you the immediate area. So right down there to the right, you see the stop sign right there. There is a gate for easy access to get outside the community. This is a great location. I'm just trying to sprinkle a little bit today. Hopefully it holds off. So let's go on inside and take a look. Pretty rock on the front of the home here. One car garage. Here's your entry point. Isn't that nice? This home is so clean and neat. First thing you're gonna see when you enter, it's got the tile floor. And then you got the stairs that are leading up to the bedrooms. All right, so we're gonna start here. I'll take a walk through. First on the left is the garage. We'll come back to that. You got your living room area right here. Plenty of room. This home has over 1,600 square feet. You got the kitchen area right here. So clean, so neat. Got these windows up here. And then off the back, let's walk around here right quick. Off the back, you get a screened area for sitting and relaxing. Look how nice that looks. Isn't that nice? Okay, your AC unit right there. So I'm gonna spin around. Got nice neutral tones, nice high ceilings. Ceiling fan right there. Carpeted floors. Clean and neat. Okay. Pretty kitchen area. Corian counters. Nice white cabinets. As you can see, they're tall upper cabinets. Plenty of storage. Tile backsplash right there. Remaining appliances with this home. Okay. Dishwasher right there. And then right here, we've got the pantry area. Plenty of storage. So let's check out the rest of the home. Right here, we've got a half bath. All right. Pretty pedestal sink at the tile flooring that extends in here. 6-panel door. Close that over quietly. HVAC system has been updated in this home. Now the sellers are using the garage for storage. But let's just take a quick look to give you an idea One car garage, you got a garage door opener right there. The electric panel is right here behind this ladder. And then you've got your water heater right there. Nice and convenient. And check this out, you get the overhead storage. Huge amenity in my opinion. And then there's some hooks right there, okay? So let's move along. Good storage in the garage. Right. Head on upstairs. Take another look out the front there. Look how pretty that is. See the sun's coming out now? It's fantastic. Such a pretty day. Right, we'll climb up these stairs. Nice neutral tones. Love this right here. Little desk area. You can see you got your hookups right there at the bottom, outlet and phone if need be, if you want to have a phone line. Arched doorway right here. So right here, got like a linen closet. Okay, plenty of storage. Close this over. Thermostat. HVAC unit. Okay. Your air return is right there. So we'll start off, we'll look at the primary bedroom. Good size room for sure. Pretty ceilings, pretty flooring, very clean, very neat. Here's your ceiling fan right there. So off to my left, generous walk-in closet for sure. Plenty of room in here. Got the window right there, large enough for a chair. This is fantastic, and it's temperature controlled. See that view looking out the front. Another angle of the bedroom. And then the primary bath. Got tile floor, 6-panel door, Corian countertops, double vanity, matching cabinets to the kitchen, and a huge mirror. And then your tiled combo tub and shower. Behind the door, got the linen closet. All right, let's move along. Got 2 bedrooms on this end upstairs. Carpeted flooring. We'll start off with this guest bedroom right here. Ceiling fan. Nice high ceilings. You got an air return right there. And then a vent. Here's your view from the bedroom. So quiet in here. And then right here we've got the closet. Good sized closet right there. Let's get another angle. All right. Okay, to the right, third bedroom. Carpeted flooring, just being used as an office. And then your closet right here. And then to the right, second full bath, single vanity, Corian counter, and then tile floor. Good size mirror, got the 6-panel door here to the right. And then we'll just take a quick look at the shower, combo tub and shower. And then right here is your washer and dryer. And the washer and dryer remain with the home. Well, thanks so much for taking the tour with me today. I'm Shayne Howland, showmefloridahomes.com. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. If you'd like more information about this fantastic townhome, or maybe you're considering making a move to the area, feel free to give me a call anytime, or you can shoot me a text, 727-378-2427. My number is right there at the bottom of your screen. Be sure to like and subscribe for more property tours and more. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.